This review is a Farmer's Fridge Pesto Pasta Bowl, and like most of their salads, it is vegetarian. It has dairy in it, with mozzarella pearls and fresh tomatoes. So I'm going to avoid the cheese, and hopefully that's the only thing that's dairy based, but who knows. Nutrition facts. One jar has got 21 grams of fat, of which 5 are saturated, no trans fats, 10 milligrams of cholesterol, 970 milligrams of sodium. Wow, that's a lot. 38 grams of carbs, of which 4 are fiber, 3 are added sugars. Sorry, 3 are sugars that are not added, and 12 grams of protein. Okay. And let's see, does it have egg in here? And I'm having trouble with my eyes, so sorry about that. I cannot see any eggs, so let's give this a try. So as you can see, there's pasta with the pesto sauce mixed into it, and there are cherry or grape tomatoes and little balls of mozzarella, and that looks like spinach. Woo! I think something went jumping out. All right, well, let's find out how it tastes. I'm gonna shake it up a bit. I don't know why they don't shake it up in the beginning, but okay, whatever, I don't mind. All right, here we go. One of the problems are with putting the sauce in ahead of time is that they have to use extra salt to compensate for the loss of flavor caused by the pasta absorbing some of the flavor. So if you want to be able to use less salt, don't mix the sauce into the pasta or rice or wheat or whatever. And your heart will thank you. Not bad. Unfortunately, the problem with compensating for loss of flavor by using salt is that you don't get that nice, strong pesto flavor from the basil. So that's a bit disappointing to me. It's still okay. It's just, it's not that great. I wish they would have had the sense to keep it separate. So I will give this, I'll give it a 6. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.